It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. 72 degrees. I can't even believe it. I'm about to see what I could find in Japan. Oh my god, I'm in Japan. Yo. Okay. Let's see. Look at the little cars. Like little minivans. That's me in Japan. Wow. These are the people wearing masks. I don't know if you can see. They wear masks everywhere. Japan discount store. You get everything for $5. Yeah, I don't know. These are the bikes and stuff. Cigarette machines in every freaking corner. Shit is crazy. Surprise. They in a soda machine. Oh, and there it goes. There's a soda machine on every corner of the damn. Look, here goes another one. Every corner you go to, there's a soda machine. Coca-Cola. This is how they tell the people not to walk. See the little person's shadow. I mean, not shadow, you know what I mean. It's red, and it'll turn green when we cross. These are the cars. Oh, and they drive on the opposite side of the car. You know, like our passenger side is how they drive on the passenger side. I'm gonna try to find someone driving on the passenger side. Those are the buildings, restaurants, buildings. City. Oh, McDonald's. McDonald's. We'll do another alleyway. Another discount store. Aoki. Sabago. Sabago means make noise. And konnichiwa is hello. And there goes another soda machine, like I said. Oh my god, look what I just got. I thought they were giving out flyers. But no, they're giving out the masks that everybody else is wearing. Really? Maybe I should take a picture of it. Let's go down this subway. Let's see what this subway looks like. I hope I ain't gotta pay, cause shit probably cost $5,000 to get on a damn subway. This is my first experience on the Japan subway. So you're gonna come with me for the first time. I'm already tired of walking down these damn steps. Lord Jesus is fire. Cause my feet are on fire. My feet are on fire. My feet are on fire. Okay, we're gonna go to Oedo line, right? They got photo booths and soda machines, of course. Soda machine everywhere you go. Yeah, I don't know. Oh no, this is not what you buy. This is where you buy a train ticket?
Any machine, please.
Oh, okay. In the machine, but yeah, I don't know how to read English. What? Yeah, what am I supposed to do? Commuter pad? Okay, maybe I'm not gonna see the train because I don't really know where I'm going. Okay, maybe this will be. Let's see. Adult, 1 ticket, 1 English.
All fare information will be displayed in English.
What is this? Insert money, card, or IC card. 1 piece pay. Okay. Let's see. All I have is $1,000. Ain't not rich. Let's see. Put it in here. Okay. Got a ticket. Okay. I'm in the subway. This was my ticket. $170. I really want to ride the subway, but he ain't trying to get lost in Japan. You feel me? I wonder what it looks like. Excited to see. Yeah, but I'm not riding. This is the front of the train. I want to get on it. All the staircases from the building are outdoors. I don't know if you can see. There we go. This outdoor staircase. Thought that was kind of funny. See the steering wheel on the passenger side? Oh, I don't know if you can see. There we go. houses. But they hang their laundry outside like us. This is the bus. This is a nice apartment. Ain't really got no windows though. There's a soccer game going on. I took a bus and I'm in the shopping district apparently, and yeah, look at all the Max people. This shit is crazy. Okay, so I'm in the middle of like Times Square. Well, not Times Square, the Japanese Times Square there. Look. Wow. This is crazy. Got the Gap over here. some green peas. Oh, this ice cream look kind of good.
支払う負担を軽くしたいというお客様に大好評。例えばトヨタアクアにお乗りの38歳20等級ゴールドモンスター。
It's like 9,000 stores here. I don't even know where the hell to go. Jeez. It's just too many stores. Every corner you turn, there's like 9,000 more stores. Look, over there there's stores. In there there's stores. Over here. I don't know. There goes a cop. Police. Oh my god, there's like 900 more stores around this corner. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Yo! I'm done. I'm done. Look what I found. The Uniqlo headquarters. Like, really? I think there's some shit. There's too many stores. Yeah, I'm done. Too many damn stores. This shit is like Fordham mixed with Times Square mixed with 3rd Avenue mixed with. Jeez. Exchange. I don't know where I'm going. So let's just make a turn.